G'day everyone, it's Aaron here from Jim's Antennas. Now today we're going to talk about the service code mobile phone booster. So generally, what is a mobile phone booster? It's basically a device where we come out and we put an antenna on your roof, runs into another device or receiver inside the roof space, then it runs to another receiver which then transmits the signal into your house. Now these devices are a proper registered device. So to do it properly, there are some cheap outtakes on eBay, but we only use a proper registered device with the telcos. So obviously they're a little bit more expensive, but it's done properly, it's registered, and most importantly, it's legal. All right, so how the device works is it takes a signal from the phone tower, pretty simply retransmits it in your house. Now, what these devices do is get rid of the actual issue where the signal can't penetrate your house. So generally a tin roof or a Hebel floor or double-story roof will stop the 4G signal penetrating into the house. So these devices can bring that signal from outside and put it inside the house. So if this is something you want to have a chat with one of our technicians about, don't hesitate to give us a call on 131 546 or jimsantennas.com.au for a free obligation quote.